Hello, in this video you're going to learn how to add decals to your game. If you don't know, decals are textures that are used to add detail, realism or variation to surfaces within your game. So right now on the screen I'm just showing some decals that I added to my game, Bobo's Fun Zone, and in this video you're going to learn how to create the same thing. To get started, find a folder where you want to have your decals, right click and select material. Then just call this the decal_material. Open it up. And then we just want to go over to the details, go over to material domain and change this to be deferred decal. Then change the blend mode to be translucent. Next, you want to drag in the image which you want to make a decal. So I have this image of this blood texture. It needs to be a PNG or an image file. Just drag it in. Right click on it and go convert to parameter and just call this image. This will help when we want to basically set up more decals in the future. Connect the RGB into the base color and then connect this A value, this alpha value, into the opacity. This will help make it transparent in the areas where it's black. Then we can just go apply, close this, and now if we just click this little plus button on our project, and we just want to go over to all classes and look for decal and select this one, decal actor. This will add a decal into our level. Then if we just go over here to the details panel, here we can select what material we want it to have. Just drag in our decal mat. And now if I just move this down, we should see our decal being applied. And I can basically move this anywhere I want. If so I move it here, the decal is going to stretch, so we need to make sure our decal is always facing one direction. I'm just going to go select and rotate to rotate my decal 90 degrees, and then I'll just move it all the way onto this wall. And just like that, I've set up the decal. If you want to basically be able to easily add more decals to your game, because we created this in such a way, if I just right click and I go create material instance, and let me just call this my example material, I can open it up, and because we made the image a parameter, if I just select it, I can now change the image dynamically. So maybe I'll change it to be this this texture here. I can save it, and if say I just select this and press Alt, that allows me to quickly duplicate things. And maybe for this decal, I'll change it to be this example, and now I'll have that image. And I can easily scale this down if I want to. So I'm just going to go to select and scale objects and make this a bit smaller. And just like that, I've added decals to my game. So that's how to quickly and easily set up decals in your project. That's all for this video. And if you want to learn how to create full games inside Unreal Engine, like a 2D platformer, an FPS, and even more, make sure to check out my website, Unreal University. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.